Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new program, but before I do this, here's a program over here, but I'm not going to show you how to build it yet. What I'm going to just show you is it running, so you can see what we're going to get. And basically what I've decided to do is work with lists to create a classroom. So here's my choices. It has a menu, and I can do these things. I can add a student. So my student is going to be Snowy. Snowy's been added to the class list. I can delete a student. I want to delete Snowy from the class list. I can list all the students, but right now there are no students in the class, so it says the class is empty. I can add a student like Snowy, and I'm going to add another student named Reed, and I'm going to add another student named Jennifer. And then I can list all the students in the class. So it says there are 3 students, and Snowy, Reed, and Jennifer. And I can add more students like I don't know, Donald. Now I can still list all the students. I can also choose a random student. Sometimes teachers like to do this if they're calling on people. So I'm going to say, please give me a random student. So my random student is Snowy, my random student is Snowy again, my random student is Donald, my random student is Jennifer, and I can also delete a student. So I'm going to delete a student, and I'm going to delete Donald. Notice if I try to delete a student who doesn't exist, like Fred, it will say student not in class, so there's some error handling as well. And now if I list all the students, Donald is gone. There are only 3 students left. So I'm going to show you how to create this tool, which is a very rudimentary list, but it also has, using a list, but it also has this menu function, and I'm going to show you how to create a menu function like this.